You'll not see any perfections here.
Take my hand. We're
Plan
gonna
out the
go to
month. So
Central
if you live in
Park as
Gurgaon, there's one
friends.
on MG Road
Lie
which
under
recently
blue
opened up.
sky, sunshine, a bottle of wine. Talk about our daydreams. Hey, it seems
Skincare
we're
products
kind
that
of
I'm loving right
aligned.
now. So let's start with hair
For
first. Does this suit my lifestyle? How
and every
frequent would I
single
use it? And
airplane in the
I just have my
sky.
wallet.
Under blue sky, sunshine, a bottle of wine. Talk about our daydreams. Hey, it seems we're crossing.
Hi guys, happy Monday. I don't remember when was the last time I started a vlog on Monday. I think I've not done it in weeks. Well, I took Saturday and Sunday off of vlogging, totally spent my time this weekend offline. Saturday was pretty chill, made some meals at home, and then I also went out to Chayo's experience. So if you live in Gurgaon, there's one on MG Road which recently opened up, and they have expanded the menu so much. The drinks menu plus the food menu was so amazing. Just name it, and they have everything now. Like matchas, they have introduced I think three types of matchas, and I remember I had the sea salt caramel cold coffee because we were in the mood for coffee, and it was superb. It was really good, not as strong as the one I'm having right now, but it was satisfactory. And on their food menu they had so many items like Indian meals like rajma chawal, dal makhni meal, but they also introduced Korean cream cheese buns, pastas, and so many other things. And then I also went to a nursery because my plants are having such a hard time. I just bought one new plant and a fertilizer so that they can do well in this monsoon season. And yesterday, well, it was an at home day, and AB and I just chilled around the house. We watched a movie last night. It was the Truman Show, and we really loved it. And also guys, I'm so glad you clicked on this video. If you are new here and you're seeing me for the very first time, if you're seeing this face for the very first time, hi, my name is Tarasha. I live in Gurgaon, and this channel is basically my way of documenting my real life. All the highs, the lows, the chaos. You'll not see any perfections here. Everything is imperfect and raw as much as I can keep it. I do a lot of weekly, daily vlogs, what I spend in a week, morning routines, evening routines, and if any of that is your jam, definitely hit the subscribe button. I promise you're gonna love it here. And those who are returning viewers, you know I appreciate it so much. Also, I see your comments and I love hearing from you. It just makes my day every time, which reminds me I have a few that I need to reply to today because I did not do it yesterday. I just took a complete off, and yeah, now let's get our day started. I just made myself a coffee, got a little bit ready. Nowadays I'm not doing any heavy makeup because I'm still recovering from all the sticky monsoon acne flare-ups. By the way, I do have some products that I need to talk to you about. Let me get started on my work, and then I think I'll collect all that stuff and we'll talk about it. If you guys saw my last vlog, you already remember this habit tracker and the calendar, the monthly calendar I printed for August. And before jumping into work, I really want to set it up for the upcoming month. By the way, it's 28th of July, so we just have a few days left. So I think it's a good time to plan out the month. I have these pretty cute markers from Kiki K that my sister gifted me, and I think it would look really good if I can color code my days. So let's see. I know that I need to film today and edit. So it's over 1:30 p.m. That means it's lunchtime, and I'm gonna make a quick wrap for today's lunch because I already cooked in the morning just a few hours ago. So I made upma at home, and I don't feel like coming up with a full-blown meal right now. Maybe tonight for dinner, but not right now. I want something quick and easy because right now I feel like I'm too focused on my editing part. I am almost done with the video. Like, it's so astonishing to me because when I started this channel, it used to take me days, like I think easily 3 to 4 days to edit one long form video, but now not anymore. So I want to make the most of it, get done with it so that I can just put it up on YouTube, schedule it, and be done with it, like completely. For that to happen, I need to spend a little less time today in the kitchen, and wraps to the rescue. I have these soya shami kebabs that I unboxed with you guys or showed you guys in a grocery haul in my last vlog. So yeah, I'm gonna quickly whip up a wrap each for me and EP, and I'll see you guys shortly. Also, on a side note, this has been keeping me sane. I kid you not, getting some sort of whiteboard or a meal planner, if you can, is just so game changing. I do not have to think about my meals whenever I get up in the morning. I just come to the kitchen, look at it, and even if I don't feel like having a particular set meal, I just switch things up between lunch and dinner and I'm all sorted. By the way, I got this from Mr. DIY. Alright, my lunch is ready. I'm just gonna put on some Big Bang Theory and enjoy my lunch. Okay, so I have a basket full of hair care, body care, skincare products that I'm loving right now, and I really want to share them with you all. So let's start with hair first because I've been getting so many real life compliments that my hair looks very shiny, and all the credit goes to this product. This is the L'Oreal Ever Pure Sulfate Free Color Care System, and it's the glossing conditioner. I haven't switched any of my shampoos, and the only product I added to my hair care was this conditioner, and it just leaves your hair so smooth. It smells great and the gloss is real. By the way, this is available on Amazon, and I won't ask you to purchase this because that won't be fair. Be wise with your money and buy it only if you need it. Like, if your hair is feeling dull, this really works. Also, before I dive into any other products, I just want to say, buy consciously. Ask yourself questions like, do I really need this product? Does this suit my lifestyle? How frequent would I use it? And then make a wise decision, because at the end, it's your hard-earned money. Okay, so that being said, moving on to another product. This is the L'Oreal Professional Serum, and this is the Liss Unlimited. I really like this again for the shine. So I use it on towel dried hair, and when I'm not using this, I reach out for the Olaplex. This is the number 6 Bond Smoother. I have been using this for years after I got my hair colored, which would be like what, around 4 to 5 years ago. So I've been using it religiously. Then moving on to skincare, I think I've ranted enough that my skin does not cooperate with me when it's the monsoon season. So here are a few products that I found helpful. Number one has to be the Snack Habit rose water. I used to buy my rose water from a local organic shop, but guys, what I saw in those 2 bottles of rose water was just beyond my expectations. There was black color mold, so I stopped buying it from there and I ordered this Nat Habit one, and I feel like I like it more, and it claims to control oil, acne and tone, and reduce the size of the pores. So it does a job of a toner. It's good. And then these 2 acne patches. Okay, I've been using the Face Shop acne patches from a long time, easily 2 to 3 years, and these are really great for like your daytime wear. I am actually wearing one today on my left cheek, and it is undetectable, like 90% undetectable, which makes it perfect for day wear. And at night I use the Dermaco salicylic acid patches. They already mentioned on the package that it is suitable for night, so I haven't tried it in daytime. I use it only at night, and these both really do suck the gunk out of your pimples. They are good. And as a face moisturizer, I love using the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel. This gives a very matte finish, which I prefer in the summer days. And then for my body care, I've been loving this body lotion, which is Lotus scented from The Body Shop. The Body Shop is an amazing brand. No notes on this one. So yeah, that is all I wanted to share with you. Alright you guys, so I just changed my clothes because I want to head out to Les Marches and get my hands on a few grocery items because we are running out of some essentials. So yeah, AB decided to go as well. The original plan was me to go alone, but I convinced him, and also he got free early today. So I'll be just carrying my tote bag, and I just have my wallet, a claw clip, and my phone inside. That's it. So yeah, let's head out. I hope you enjoy a good grocery shop with me. Guys, we are just on the golf course road near the sector 4243 metro station on the rapid metro line, and I just saw that there's a Starbucks Reserve opening up. I mean, I've waited a long time for a Starbucks Reserve to open in Gurgaon, and it would be finally here. I am so excited. The building was under construction, so I think it's gonna take a few more months. The thing is, if it can open till the winter season, that would be so great, because I do not like hot coffees like the lattes and cappuccinos at Starbucks. I would love to try the Reserve coffees, the hot ones. So let's see when it opens. I'll be the first one to go there for sure. we just came back home. Let me show you the groceries real quick because I have to prepare dinner. Okay, so first things first, I got these two things from Earth Bliss. This is the Mediterranean dip, and then I got a thing of tandoori hummus, a butter croissant, a pack of whole wheat hot dog buns, a Greek yogurt, and then from the ready to eat section I got a thing of tandoori malai chap, two things of soy milk, a 500-gram pack of the Intense blend from Kahoma, a thing of salad mix with microgreens. I really love this in my wraps and burgers, so definitely had to get one. A thing of mozzarella and cheddar cheese, butter, and some plant-based sausages. The last thing I got are these three very pretty Rakhis because Raksha Bandhan is just around the corner and I think I'll be going home this time. So yeah, I just wanted to be prepared. So yeah, that is pretty much what I got.
Yes, dedicated your life's work ideas. But not your books.
Just wrapped up my dinner, and with that I'm gonna end this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this vlog and spending the day with me. Don't forget to like this video because it really helps my channel's engagement, and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm gonna see you guys in the
She
next
keeps me
one.
close.
Bye.
In the friend zone? Yeah, but I don't mind it too much though. Why? If my feelings don't show, say it ain't so, man. You should know that I've been saying no, but maybe you're the one I've been looking for so